I just wanted to say إنه نحن كتير انبسطنا هون لأنه كنا عم نتعلم إنه كيف نعمل windmill مع solar energy and لحالها هيك with the wind. يعني قبل نحن ما كنا نتعلم، ما عرفنا هيك كيف نعملها، so نحن we learned a lot of things here.
The teamwork was very nice إنه كانوا friendly و helpful. The teachers ساعدونا to make stuff مش مثل the school. يعني the school إنه we have to memorize وهيك.
So like here we did stuff with our hands. In school we just learn new things and keep them in our mind, and here we can make them.
So in this workshop, I think it values our teamwork most, because most of the work we have here has to deal with how much we are working with each other well, how we are interacting with others. Well, personally, I think I'm not really good in collaborating with others, and it helps me to collaborate doing this work.